It's fall, and I'm Weston with Salt City Still, Piggy Master Pro. That's me. So let's make a pumpkin together. We're gonna make it cool. This is all you're gonna need is a grinder and a welder. That's all, and a vise maybe. You don't even have to have a vise, but it's gonna help. So what we got to make is about 6 to 8 sticks of brown bar, solid bar, any diameter. Smaller, the better you can bend it. This one's about 3/16. We're gonna make them 16 inches long. Okay, let's go. There's one. We're gonna get those cut. Okay. We got our 16-inch length sticks of metal round bar. It's all bent, rusty. That makes it better. We're going to bend it to another shape. So now we're going to draw what we want our pumpkin side to be. Just something like that. That's really rough. I'm using the Mark All Dirt ink because I can wash it off. So let's go with something like that. So you've got a straight line so you know they end in the same spot. Let's see if we can bend this. We're just going to use the vise and let it rip. So I'm really just finessing it by hand, not being too critical. The first one doesn't matter as much. After this, we want to try to make them all the same. But all you got to do is get after it and bend it by hand. Ooh, I did it backwards, actually. I think that's going to work. The shape on the first one is not that critical. You do want to start matching them after the first one so that they look pretty good. And you know what? If they're not perfect, does not matter. Something like that. That's all we're looking for. There we go. There's our base of a pumpkin. We do want the front, the middle, and the top, like the stem, to match the same. So we got our first one. Now we're going to make 6 that match that. Pretty close. Okay, we're all pumpkin bent. We're all bent up like a pumpkin. We got 6 pieces. They're all similar, but they're whatever. They're not even perfect, and who cares? What you do is you tack the bottom together. Now you tack the top. All you do is a little tacks at first, just in case you find out you got to tear it apart and do it again. Now you're going to weld 2 on each side. And you can leave it all rusty. You don't got to clean any of that off. This is just kind of a practice. Play with your welder, to play with your grinder, to practice working with metal. Make a little piece that your wife's going to like. Something for the family. You can sell these at an art show or whatever. You just hold them all together. You kind of leave them there. And if you have to bend more, if you have to get after it and bend a little different once you get going, you do. That's okay. Like that one. I want to open that one up a little bit. Just like that. Now we tack that one. Kind of do the bottoms all first. Now, if you want to fix your top, if you're not happy with how it goes, you can kind of grab your hammer and just kind of hit them all into a stem. So that's going to be your stem. And even now, if you wanted to bend something a little different, you definitely can. If you want to make them all more precise than this, you definitely can too. They can all be exactly the same, depending on what kind of look you're going for. So now you get that, and you just kind of hammer them all together. Keep tacking them. Do a nice little ring weld all the way around. Like your welds don't have to look good. You're making something that is just fun. You do a whole bunch of these. So now once it's hot, you can really shape that stem. There's a pumpkin. You can cut off the top, come in with your grinder. We can chop the top down. Usually I'll get a weld on it all first. Burn it up real nice and pretty. Get some good welds on this top. If you do a little rings or even weld all the way up it, you just keep bringing welds up. It makes it all look more uniform. Makes it all one blob, one stem. So you get one good nice stem going. You can't do these wrong. Whatever you think looks good, that's good. Like who cares? You're having fun. Let your creative mind flow when you're doing something like an art piece. We're just welding up and down those stems, get all those all together. It's like I missed one there. And even now that it's red hot, you can come and bash it up a little bit. Now what we'll do is we'll just chop that off. Now, Bob's your uncle. We got a pretty cool pumpkin. It's really hot right now. But yeah, it's just something easy you can make with a grinder and a welder. That's all we needed there. You can definitely keep going with this however you want. You can add leaves off of it if you want to cut some leaves out. But that is a quick little pumpkin.